Good morning, good morning. So I just woke up. My eyes are a little puffy. I'm not sure what that ordeal is. It's that time of year for me. But I'm gonna take you guys along on a little morning in my life again today. So I just woke up and I am going to grab a coffee. Usually I would make it at home. That's a lie. Actually, I wouldn't. I just say that to make myself feel good. I make it at home like once a month. I'm going to get a coffee. Every day we have to drive to where our animals are because we do not live where our animals are. My boyfriend just owns it because we bought a house, and of course, out of everyone in the world to buy a house, the sellers that I'm buying from, they had asked for an extended close. I said no problem, but now they're having a problem finding a house, so it's just a really prolonged period. So right now we drive to our animals every day instead of just opening the door and going out to them, which is a little bit of a pain in the butt, but we're in that awkward waiting phase of moving into our house. So good morning, good morning. All right, we just let the chickens out. If you can't tell, you hear them? Yeah, they're obnoxious. Now off to do the meaties, the goats, and the ducks. Hi guys. I just got some of my meaties the other day, 2 days ago, and I just walked into two little babies being dead. So that's unfortunate. I also have to come out back when the door is closed to feed the ducks because the goats try to race them to their own feed every time. I love willow trees. I just love them. Henry, what are you doing? Henry likes to leave the barn sometimes. Do whatever he pleases. Can you say hi, honey? Can you say hi? I know you're mad. You showed up late today. Huh, you mad, girl? Hi, Olga girl. There you go. You guys got a mess going on out there. Come on, Fiona. You're the last one in here. It takes me about 20-ish minutes. Oh, I'm stuck. To do all the waters. I still have one more to do. Somebody is Brody. I know. I'm not gonna touch your eggs. I see you. Hi, ma'am. You're just chilling. This one's Brody. Hey, you crazy. Waters are done, and so am I. Say goodbye, everybody. Usually I only have to fill the ducks and the goats' waters every day. We do the chickens and the other chickens and the other chickens about every 2 to 3 days, depending, because they have really large water gallons. Not gallons, sorry, water buckets, so they don't go through it as much. But today's an exciting day because we get to move the meat chickens out to pasture.